Hey guys, Tech Tip Tuesday, Eric with The Loop here in Boise. Today we're going to talk about something that is super cool. I think we did a video on this about 4 months ago or so, but I want to do another one because it's that cool. And there's been some upgrades to it. So I want to talk to you guys about the Control4 Intercom. Most people don't even know it exists. Super powerful feature. Really cool parts of any Control4 ecosystem. The crazy part is that even if you don't have any touch panels or any interfaces in the home, even if you just have a Control4 system and no other functionality to it, you can actually use the intercom function just to simply communicate like Skype between your family members. Great thing is, it doesn't matter if it's iOS or Android, works on both. It is not compatible with tablets. That is one thing that I need to make sure and specify. It is only iOS phones and Android phones. So when we're looking at intercom, there's a couple things that are really cool to take a look at. Okay. One of the reasons to have this feature is that then you're actually able to call from your phone to another phone without even leveraging the Control4 system. Like I said, it's that Skype functionality. The other big advantage is that when you want to be able to call, you can actually call a touch panel in the home when you're not home. Okay, so you can be at the store, call the touch panel in the kitchen, one of your kids can answer, be able to converse with them, even if they don't have their phone on them or if they don't have phones altogether. In my house, quick personal story, for me, I love it because I can call the touch panel in our kitchen and someone always answers, whereas phones, you never know where those things are. They get left in the bedroom or something else. So that's one of the features that I love about it. When we're looking at that function, like I said, we can call phone to phone, we can call phone to house, we can also call house to phone. So even if that person isn't home, all right, really cool feature. Here's a couple screenshots showing how that part of it works. Really cool. Okay. Control4 Intercom. What do you need to be able to have it? Well, you do need to have an EA series of controller in your home, and you do need to make sure that, and I argue that you need to be on OS 3.1 for Intercom to function well. Okay. Other than that, it's a free upgrade, free addition to your Control4 system. If you have more questions, definitely visit control4.com, find a local integrator to talk to, or take a look at this link down here. We will actually link you to the Control4 Intercom website so you can learn more about it there. All right, Eric with The Loop, you guys. Have a great Tuesday. Oh my gosh, guys, I totally forgot. I was so excited to talk about the doorbell and integration to phones and touch panels. I didn't even mention the whole reason it exists, which is for the DS2. So here's some video of it. And what works really slick is that it has all that same functionality of something like a Ring or a Nest door station, those types of things, but with the full intercom functionality and smart home functionality tied into it. So when you look at that, we hit the call button, right? Call button rings through. Call button rings through, shows up on the touch panel automatically. Okay, that's not a feature you can get with a Ring. It's not a feature you can get with a Nest. Ties in automatically. The other thing is that now we can start tying in other things. So for example, a lot of our clients that have those door stations, they use them to trigger gates, they use them to trigger alarm sensors, they use them to trigger another camera, any series of things. So that door station box has a whole bunch of inputs and outputs on it. So we can use it to link to all other types of systems in the home. Super powerful. Obviously, like I said, you have all that functionality of being able to tie in your phones, but yeah, the door station, I totally forgot. So, all right, there's your tech tip for today, guys.